Hello everybody, and well done for joining this week's online class. Now, what we will be doing each week is helping you get onto the online class. This week, some of us managed to join, and during the week, I'm going to be helped by Shinny, who's going to do a really good job as my classroom assistant in helping others get onto the classroom. So today we started saying hello and talking about how it felt to still be in lockdown. And I asked, how are you? When Shinny asked me, how are you? I said, so. This means okay. But I hope you are happy and that you're all managing, because I do know that we were talking today about some of the fears that we have at the idea of our children going back to school and how it's going to work. So make sure you do get onto the online classroom and ask for help if you can't, because those conversations are really worth having. So what did we do in terms of work? We talked about spelling and looked at, could you spell the word various? Yes, that's the correct spelling. And you know what's great about these online classes? You can show me the writing that you've done, so I was able to see which one you'd checked, as well as listen to you working. What about communicate? This is a harder word to spell, so well done if you got that one correct. Then we looked at the word ought. Yes, I know I thought you might not be able to spell this, and you did surprise me, which is a good thing because you got this word correct. And it's a good thing to surprise me because it means I know you're working really, really hard and you're able to achieve. Well done. What about technician? We talked about the meaning of that word, and if you can spell that, well done. Mostly make sure you know what the job of a technician involves. Next week, we're going to try and get a lot more people onto online classroom, so work with us to do that. And name the objects. So if you've been looking at the videos already so far, you'll know some of them about objects. Make sure that you know those names. And then we're going to be talking about hobbies. Now, I don't know about you, but my hobbies have changed since we've gone into lockdown. My amount of spare time has changed, the type of my spare time, and what I now don't like that I did like before lockdown. So in the next class, we're going to talk about what we like to do, how we use our time, do you get any spare time, and what your hobbies are now, what your hobbies used to be in the past, and what you think your future hobbies will be when we come out of lockdown. And think about your learning. So think about, did you understand everything in the video or the class? Do you need some more practice? Do you need a lot more practice? I'm not quite sure why the picture of a lot more practice looks sad, because I think practice is what helps you improve, and it really should be a yellow smiley face for all of your learning, because the whole point of being in the class is to learn. And well done for your work today. It's time for me to say goodbye. So see you next week. Bye now.